Nara Prefecture is a prefecture in the Kansai region of Japan. The capital is the city of Nara. Nara Prefecture has the distinction of having more UNESCO World Heritage listings than any other prefecture. History. Nara Prefecture region is considered one of the oldest regions in Japan, spanning thousands of years. The present-day Nara Prefecture as it exists now officially was created in 1887, making it independent of Osaka Prefecture. Historically, Nara Prefecture was also known as Yamato no Kuni, a Yamato province. Up to Nara period, it is certain that there was a political force established at the foot of Mount Milwa in the east of Nara Basin, seeking unification of most parts in Japan from the 3rd century until the 4th century, though the process was not well documented. At the dawn of history, Yamato was clearly the political center of Japan. Ancient capitals of Japan were built on the land of Nara, namely Asuka-kyo, Fujiwara-kyo and Heijo-kyo. The capital cities of Fujiwara and Heijo are believed to have been modeled after Chinese capitals at the time, incorporating grid layout patterns. The royal court also established relations with Sui and then Tang dynasty China and sent students to the Middle Kingdom to learn high civilization. By 7th century, Nara accepted the many immigrants, including refugees of Baekje who had escaped from war disturbances of the southern part of the Korean peninsula. The first high civilization with royal patronage of Buddhism flourished in today's Nara city. Nara in the Heian period. In 784, Emperor Kammu decided to relocate the capital to Nagaoka-kyo in Yamashiro province, followed by another move in 794 to Heian-kyo, marking the start of the Heian period. The temples in Nara remained powerful beyond the move of political capital, thus giving Nara a synonym of Nanto, as opposed to Heian-kyo. Situated in the north, close to the end of Heian period, Taira no Shigeru, a son of Taira no Kiyomori, was ordered by his father to depress the power of various parties, mainly Kofukuji and Todaiji, who were backing up an opposition group headed by Prince Mochihito. The movement led to a collision between the Taira and the Nara temples in 1180. This clash eventually led to Kofukuji and Todaiji being set on fire, resulting in vast destruction of architectural heritage. Medieval Nara at the rise of the Minamoto to its ruling seat and the opening of Kamakura shogunate. Nara enjoyed the support of Minamoto no Yoritomo toward restoration, Kofukuji being the home temple to the Fujiwara since its foundation, not only regained the power it had before but became a de facto regional chief of Yamato province. With the reconstruction of Kofukuji and Todaiji, a town was growing again near the two temples. The Nanboku-cho period, starting in 1336, brought more instability to Nara, as Emperor Go-Daigo chose Yoshino as his base. A power struggle arose in Kofukuji with a group supporting the south and another siding the north court. Likewise, local clans were split into two. Kofukuji recovered its control over the province for a short time at the surrender of the South Court in 1392, while the internal power game of the temple itself opened a way for the local samurai clans to spring up and fight with each other, gradually acquiring their own territories, thus diminishing the influence of Kofukuji overall. The Sengoku and Edo periods to present later the whole province of Yamato got drawn into the confusion of the Sengoku period. Todaiji was once again set on fire in 1567, when Matsunaga Hisahide, who was later appointed by Oda Nobunaga to the Lord of Yamato province, fought for supremacy against his former master Miyoshi family, followed by short appointments of Susui Junke and Toyotomi Hidenaga by Toyotomi Hideyoshi to the Lord. The Tokugawa shogunate ultimately ruled the city of Nara directly, and most parts of Yamato province, with a few feudal lords allocated at Koriyama, Taketori and other places. With industry and commerce developing in the 18th century, the economy of the province was incorporated into prosperous Osaka, the commercial capital of Japan at the time. The economic dependency to Osaka even characterizes today's Nara Prefecture, for many inhabitants commute to Osaka to work or study there. Geography. Nara Prefecture is part of the Kansai, or Kinki, region of Japan, and is located in the middle of the Kii Peninsula on the western half of Honshu. Nara Prefecture is landlocked. It is bordered to the west by Wakayama Prefecture and Osaka Prefecture, on the north by Kyoto Prefecture, and on the east by Mie Prefecture. Nara Prefecture is 78.5 kilometers from east to west and 103.6 kilometers from north to south. Most of the prefecture is covered by mountains and forests, leaving an inhabitable area of only 851 square kilometers. The ratio of inhabitable area to total area is 23%, ranked 43rd among the 47 prefectures in Japan. Nara Prefecture is bisected by the Japan Median Tectonic Line running through its territory east to west along the Yoshino River. On the northern side of the MTL is the so-called inner zone, where active faults running north to south are still shaping the landscape. The Ikoma Mountains in the northwest form the border with Osaka Prefecture. The Nara Basin, which lies to the east of these mountains, contains the highest concentration of population in Nara Prefecture. Further east, the Kasagi Mountains, which separate the basin from the Yamato Highlands. South of the MTL is the outer zone, comprising the Kii Mountains, which occupy about 60% of the land area of the prefecture. The Omon Range is in the center of the Kii Mountains, running north to south with steep valleys on both sides. The tallest mountain in Nara Prefecture, and indeed in the Kansai region, is Mount Hakio. To the west, separating Nara Prefecture from Wakayama Prefecture, is the Obiko Range, with peaks around 1,300 meters. To the east, bordering Mie Prefecture, is the Daiko Range, including Mount Odagahara. This mountainous region is also home to a World Heritage Site, the sacred sites and pilgrimage routes in the Kii Mountain Range. About 17% of the total land area of the prefecture is designated as national park land, comprising the Yoshino Kumano National Park, Kongo Ikomo Kizan, Koya Eugene, Muro Akame Aoyama, and Yamato Aogaki Quasi-National Parks, and the Sukagas Kono Yama Jata, and Yoshinogawa Subra Prefectural Natural Parks. Climate in the Nara Basin. The climate has inland characteristics, as represented in the bigger temperature variance within the same day, and a difference of summer and winter temperature. Winter temperatures average about 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, and 25 to 28 degrees Celsius in the summer, with highest reaching close to 35 degrees Celsius. There is not a single year of the last decade with more than 10 days of snowfall recorded by Nara Local Meteorological Observatory. The climate in the rest of the prefecture are mountainous, and especially in the south, with below -5 degrees Celsius being the extreme minimum in winter. Heavy rainfall is observed in summer. The annual accumulated rainfall ranges as much as 3,000 to 5,000 millimeters, which is among the heaviest in Japan. Spring and fall are both temperate and beautiful. The mountainous region of Yoshino has been popular both historically and presently for its beautiful cherry blossoms in the spring. In the fall, the southern mountains are equally beautiful with the changing of the oak trees. Cities. There are 12 cities in Nara Prefecture, towns and villages. There are 7 districts in Nara, which are further divided into 15 towns and 12 villages as follows. Merges demographics. According to the 2005 census of Japan, Nara Prefecture has a population of 1,421,310, which is a decrease of 1.5% since the year 2000. The decline continued in 2006, with another decrease of 4,987 people compared to 2005. This includes a natural decrease from previous year of 288 people and a decrease due to net domestic migration of 4,627 people outbound from the prefecture, and a decrease of 72 registered foreigners. Net domestic migration has turned into a continuous outbound trend since 1998. The largest destinations of migration in 2005 were the prefectures of Kyoto, Tokyo and Hyogo, with respectively a net of 1,130, 982 and 451 people moving over. The largest inbound migration was from Niigata Prefecture, contributing to a net increase of 39 people. 13.7% of its population were reported as under 15, 65.9% between 15 and 64, and 20.4% were 65 or older. Females made up approximately 52.5% of the population. As of 2004, the average density of the prefecture is 387 people per square kilometer. By districts, the so-called Yamato Flat Inland Plain holds as much as about 90% of total population within the approximately 23% size of area in the northwest, including the Nara Basin, representing a density of 1,531 people per square kilometer. To the contrast, the combined district Gojo and Yoshino district occupies almost 64% of the land, while only 6% of people lives there, resulting in a density of 39 people km squared. Nara Prefecture had the highest rate in Japan of people commuting outbound for work, at 30.9% in 2000. A similar tendency is seen in prefectures such as Saitama, Chiba and Kanagawa, all three of them having over 20% of people commuting for other prefectures. Politics. A governor and members of prefectural assembly is elected by citizens in accordance with the local autonomy law. As of 2007, there are 44 seats in the Nara Prefectural Assembly, voted through 16 electoral blocks. There was a clear tendency seen through the results of lower house election in 2005, that the younger generation executes its voting right much less compared to the older. Only 48.8% of citizens aged 20 to 29 voted, whereas all older generations votes more than its younger, reaching the highest voting rate of 86.3% at ages 60 to 69. The only exception was the 72.1% voting right executed by citizens of 70 or older. The overall average of the prefecture who voted was yet higher, at 70.3% than that of nationwide average, 67.5%. Economy. The 2004 total gross prefecture product for Nara was 3.8 trillion yen, and 0.1% growth over previous year. The per capita income was 2.6 million yen, which is a 1.3% decrease from previous year. The 2004 total gross prefecture product for Nara was 3.8 trillion yen, and 0.1% growth over previous year. Manufacturing has the biggest share in the GDP of Nara with 20.2% of share, followed by services and real estates. The share of agriculture including forestry and fishery was a mere 1.0%, only above mining, which is quasi-inexistent in Nara. Tourism is treated by the prefectural government as one of the most important features of Nara, because of its natural beauty and historical significance. Nara is famed for its kaki persimmon, strawberry and tea are some other popular products of the prefecture, while rice and vegetables, including spinach, tomato, eggplants and others are the dominant in terms of amount of production. Nara is a center for the production of instruments used in conducting traditional Japanese art forms. Brush and ink are the best-known products from Nara for calligraphy. Wooden and bamboo instruments, especially from Takayama area, are famous products for tea ceremony. Goldfish from Yamato-Koriyama in Nara have been a traditional aquacultural product since the 18th century. Due to its rich history, Nara is also the location of many archaeological digs, with many famous ones being located in the village of Asuka. Culture. The culture of Nara is tied to the Kansai region in which it is located. However, like each of the other prefectures of Kansai, Nara has unique aspects to its culture, parts of which stem from its long history dating back to the Nara period. Dialect. There are large differences in dialect between the north-central region of the prefecture, where Nara City is located, and the Okunoyu district in the south. The north-central dialect is close to Osaka's dialect, whilst Okunoyu's dialect favors a Tokyo-style accent. The lengthening of vowel sounds in the Okunoyu dialect is not seen in other dialects of the Kinki region, making it a special feature. Food culture. Foods particular to Nara Prefecture include narazuka, a method of pickling vegetables; Miwa salmon, a type of wheat noodle; chagayu, a rice porridge made with green tea; kakanoha sushi, sushi wrapped in persimmon leaves; mefara sushi, rice balls wrapped in pickled takano leaves. Traditional arts. The following are recognized by the Minister of Economy, Trade and Industry as being traditional arts of Nara: Takayama tea whisk, Nara calligraphy brush. Museums: Nara National Museum, Heijo Palace Museum, Nara Prefectural Museum of Art, Kashihara Archaeological Institute Museum. Education. Universities: Nara Women's University, Nara Medical University, Nara University of Education, Nara University, Nara Prefectural University, Nara Sangyo University, Nara Institute of Science and Technology, Keio University, Tezukayama University, Tenri University. Sports. The sports teams listed below are based in Nara. Football: Nara Club. Basketball: Bambitious Nara. Tourism. Many Jinja and Buddhist temples and Kofun exist in Nara Prefecture, and it is a center for tourism. Moreover, many World Heritage Sites, such as the temple to Daiji and Kashiga Shrine, exist in the capital city of Nara. World Heritage Sites. Transportation. Railroad: Junior West Yamato-ji Line, Kansai Line, Manyoma Horoba Line, Wakayama Line, Kantetsu Nara Line, Keihana Line, Kyoto Line, Kashihara Line, Ikoma Line, Ikoma Cable Line, Tenri Line, Osaka Line, Tawaramoto Line, Monami Osaka Line, Goes Line, Yoshino Line. Bus from Nara and Tenri Shinjuku's Tokyo. Tokyo Station, Yokohama, Tokyo Disneyland and Urayasu, Makuhari, Chiba Prefecture, Nagoya, Osaka International Airport, Kansai International Airport. From Yamato Yagian goes Shinjuku's Tokyo, Xingu, Totsukawa, Road Expressways and toll roads. Nishi-Mihan Expressway, Mihan Road, Kainawa Expressway, Second Hana Road, South Hana Road, National Highways Route 24, Route 25, Route 163, Route 165, Route 166, Route 168, Route 169, Route 308, Route 309, Route 310, Route 311, Route 368, Route 369, Route 370, Route 371, Route 422.